In this video, I'm going to show you the gold 5-minute indicator, and I have first of all optimized this indicator especially to handle the big moves. For example, you can see that like 2 to 3 days ago, we have a very big drop on gold 5-minute, and now you can see the previous version that we were using, it has provided us a buy signal from here after this sell. Let me show you. After this sell, when the sell started, there was a buy signal here, but later on I optimized it, and now you can see this version is very well optimized, and you can see we are having a buy signals from here, and straight the market went up. Okay, now this indicator is working very fine with the new settings. Okay, so guys, the traders in my group and including me, we are making good amount of dollars every day. Let me show you, like this is the profit that I made yesterday, and you can see that's a buy sell, and this is how it's working. This is the live account, this is the xauusd real account. Okay, now let me show you first of all what we do averaging. How we average our trades, like for example, we have a buy signal on this candle, we take our first position from here, and then we plan basically 3 to 4 positions. This is the maximum. Okay, we do not give a aggressive lot size one time to the market. Okay, for example, if you go to my mt4, you will see mostly my trades, they are with 0.03, and that's why we are not throwing the aggressive lot size instantly. Okay, now you can see 0.3 into 3, that becomes your 0.09 lot size. Okay, so we average our trades with the same lot size, and after this signal, you can see the market takes a u-turn and it simply went up, and we made the profit. Okay, so normally my students in the group, in the vip signal groups, they are making like $300, $500 every day. Now you can see we have a 3 candle scalping here. Okay, so they can take $300 exactly from here, because it depends on the account size. Those who are having a very good account size, so this is the very profitable trade. And you can see even here, this is the very big move. Like, we cannot consider it a small move on the 5-minute. You can see we have a sell, 1 2 3, and this is the third very long candle, and that can fill you, like give you $500 at least, if your trading account is small. Okay, now you can see this indicator is doing wonders. Okay, so first of all, this indicator is optimized uh, for the london to like late hours after the new york session. Okay, so for example, if you talk about this signal, this signal is from the morning session. asian session, we should not trade that one. Okay, so overall, this is the fine signal. So let's see about this signal. This is coming in during the day, and you can see this is profitable. So this is very good indicator and fantastic one, and that's why I have told you that this is not for everyone. Okay, just imagine again the averaging concept. First trade from here. Okay, so the second trade, when the price goes against you, you can see within 2 candles the price was reversed, and you can average your trades and you can exit on a profit. Okay, so this is the signal that you can see, it's coming at 9:50 a.m. That's the asian session. We cannot trade that one, we have not optimized it. Okay, so this is the morning, this is also a asian session, we should not trade that signal. Okay, so after the drop on gold, you can see we have the buy signals, and then you can see you will average your trades like this, like here, like here, and like here. You can average your not this one, this is going to hit your stop loss, but here you average your trades. And I also made a $94 profit, I have shown in the group as well. If you go to the telegram, you can see the price reversed and then it went up. Okay, and even there is a sell signal on the big drop on the day. You can see there was no need to do averaging because price was simply reversed. Okay, this is hitting your stop loss, and this is going in our way. Okay, you can see maximum, like if you talk about the accuracy is very very good, very very good. Okay, now I have optimized it more. Like if I show you the other one, like you will be simply surprised, the other version that I have. Okay, but we need to change the settings. Okay, so next time when I will make the video, then I will come with the settings, because I don't want to open the settings in front here in the video. Okay, now just imagine that, have you seen such a beautiful indicator before? The answer is simply no, because this is one of the accurate indicators that are available for gold 5-minute, and this is doing wonders for our community, and we all are profiting very in a very good way. And you're talking about this. Okay, now let me show you the, like you can see four losing signals here. Now Okay, no problem. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to open the other one. Okay, so I'm going to hide this one. And now look at this. I have optimized it yesterday. Okay, so just a second, I'm going to change the settings, and now you will see that these wrong signals will be gone. Okay, now it's in front of you. Okay, just a second. Okay, now you can see the wrong signals are gone. And if I attach the other one, now you will see there are some wrong signals. Okay, so this is the night work that I have done. And even if I show you today, like the maximum number of signals stay here. Okay, so this is the most accurate version that I have right now. Okay, so you can see just imagine, I'm just going to show you, this is the most accurate version because I have worked after the gold drop, and you can see everything is very well optimized, and you are almost not able to see any losing signal except this one. Okay, so you can see this is the losing signal, otherwise you will not see any. Like you can average your trades because this is the averaging here. Okay, you can see drop, drop, and this is the more fantastic version that I have done on this indicator. So guys, how you can get the access of this indicator? It's very simple. You need to come on fxmentorus.com. First of all, you need to understand that this indicator is not for everyone, so go to the indicator section, and if you understand the worth of this indicator, because this is the very good indicator, it makes like $3000 after every 10 days if your account is good enough. Okay, not very big, but this is the very good indicator. I have proven that I have made $3,000 within 10 days just following this indicator. Okay, so go to fxmentorus.com, go into the indicator section, and if you must read the last paragraph where it is shown that it is not for everyone. If you will give me a very good offer, then I will be able to sell this indicator. Otherwise, you can simply buy my journal indicators, the bank one, and the other swing trading guru. They are listed on the website. But if you want to get this, you need to give a very good offer as well, and you can contact on Telegram and email. All of the links are provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.